Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are very well at your home with good health, inshallah and alhamdulillah. Dear student, this is your geo class. We are going to start the new topic from your book. As you remember that we have discussed about the South America last week, right? The introduction of South America, the fact of South America. Right girls, so today we are going to start the new country of South America, and that is Brazil. Okay, this is the whole South America map, and here you have a country Brazil. This is the whole area of the Brazil country which is shared in the South America. It is the largest country of South America, as we know, right girls. It share a border with the 9 countries of South America. Brazil is the 5th largest country by area and by population both. Okay, now this is the map of Brazil, right? It is the neighbor countries of Brazil, all these areas, right? This is the Brazil. It is connected with Atlantic Ocean in the east, in the north, south and west. It is connected with the countries. Okay, and Brazil share a border with Argentina as well, and you know at the point of Argentina and Brazilian border there is a beautiful waterfall as well. I have a pictures I will share with you. Okay, first we are going to discuss about the facts of Brazil, right? This is the flag of Brazil. Okay, in the Brazilian flag this is the shape of the ball. It is a football shape because Brazil won the football match 5 times, football World Cup. Okay, and its team is the best football team in the world. Capital of Brazil is Brasilia, currency is real, religion is Christianity, and Portuguese is the language of Brazil, right? Now coming towards the topic. Brazil is the 5th largest country in the world and covered half of the South America. Brazil, rainforest in Brazil, Amazon rainforest in Brazil, the world largest rainforest, and Amazon river is the 2nd longest river in the world. Yes, we have learned it all about in these things in the world in fact page. Remember, the forest has a very large variety of plants, animals and birds. A very beautiful and large kind of parrot, macaw, is found in the Amazon rainforest. Its important cities are Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. Brazil is also very famous for its football and has won football World Cup 5 times. Brazil is one of the largest producer of coffee. Amazon rainforest. Rainforests are very dense, warm, wet and have million kind of plant and animal. Rainforests are extremely important to ecology of the earth. The plant of the rainforest generate much of the oxygens. Many are used in new drugs that fight diseases and illnesses. The Amazon basin contains the world's largest tropical rainforest and extended into the 9 countries, mainly Brazil. Lifeblood of this vast expanse of rainforest is might be river Amazon and its tributaries, which together contain about 25% of all the water carried by the world's river. This vast expanse of tropical rainforest contain over 1 million species of plant and animals, like and also contain 1500 species of flowers and 400 species of birds. Location wise, Brazil is located at the southwest of the earth. Where? Southwest of the earth. And southwest of the earth, but here exactly the location of Brazil is the northeast. Northeast of what? Northeast of South America. Clear? Northeast of South America is exactly location of the Brazil. Brazil is in the east, share a border with the what? Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean with the border at the south, Argentina, southwest or south Argentina, right? Okay, Argentina. Here you have a pictures in your book, the different pictures of Brazil, and I also have a pictures from the net to you. Let me show you, and I have a video as well. This is the city of Brazil. Okay, it is a beautiful city in the Brazil country. This is the city of Rio de Janeiro. Christ Redeemer is a landmark of Brazil. It is the flag of Brazil, on which you have a ball country shape, because football is a national game in Brazil as well. This is the waterfall in Brazil, which is located at exactly on the Argentina and Brazil border. It is also the sunset view in the Brazil country. Very beautiful view of the sunset here, because it is a full of natural beauty. This is known as the national park in Brazil country. It is the view of Amazon rainforest. Like, it is Amazon rainforest, and here we have, look at here girls, this is the boundary line which you can see on the map. This area, it shows that it is the area of Amazon rainforest. Okay, ये एरिया ह्यूज जो है ये अमेज़ॉन रेन फॉरेस्ट का एरिया है, जो कि नॉट ओनली इन ब्राज़ील, इट्स आल्सो स्कैटर्ड और स्प्रेड इन द अदर कंट्रीज़ ऑफ द साउथ अमेरिका. ओके, ये सिर्फ एक ब्राज़ील में नहीं है, बल्कि उसकी बाकी कंट्रीज़ में भी ये फैला हुआ है. ओके, हेयर यू हैव अ डिफरेंट पिक्चर्स. दिस इज़ द पिक्चर ऑफ मकाओ, विच वी हैव द बेस्ट and beautiful large bird in the world. Here we have the Amazon river, and also here we have the Amazon river. Now coming to the national park of Amazon. After that, this is the river Amazon, which is flowed through the Amazon rainforest. Here we have the video pictures of Macau. Macau is also the bird in Brazil. Beautiful, colorful, large parrot in Brazil. This is the pictures of Brazil. Okay girls, here we have the video of Brazil. This is the island areas of Brazil, because we have an island in the South America, in the country of Brazil, at the side of Atlantic Ocean, you can say. Yes, because it's share a border with the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, so if the country which share a border with the oceans, as we know that it's a full of natural beauty, right? And also the main point regarding to this country, that it is the world's largest rainforest, where the variety of animals and birds and this and that. This is the celebration of the Football World Cup, when they are starting to welcoming all the audience who are sitting or the present in the stadium. Okay, so now here is a...
Some say to come around sunset for the best views, but in truth, it doesn't matter when you come. You're unlikely to look at Rio in the same way. From here, the landscape is pure undulating green hills and golden beaches lapped by blue sea. No matter the number of waterfalls you've checked off,
this is located at the Brazil and Argentina border sharing area. Look, it's a very beautiful view.
Capital of Afro-Brazil, Salvador is famous for capoeira, candomblé, colonial Portuguese architecture, African street food throughout the country.